My walnut trees are dropping their walnuts. What could be the problem? This started about the middle of July. The ground is covered with them. Is it too much rain or too much heat? We have had no drought in this area. Thanks, Charles from Marshall County, Tennessee. So that was interesting to me. So it's dropping its walnuts, but too much rain? Could be too much heat, but they didn't have a drought in the area.
I've got several walnut trees in my yard.
Okay.
And they drop walnuts every year. It's my opinion that walnuts do a pretty good job of self-thinning.
Hell yeah.
And I walked out and looked in picked up some walnuts yesterday to see if I could see any disease. Now I did see some that may have some disease on it, which would be a function of all the rain, the extra rain that we've had. So maybe there's some disease there, but most.
And you're talking about fungal diseases, I'm sure.
Right, fungal diseases. But most of the walnuts I looked at looked fine, looked like there was no sign of insect damage or no disease. So I think walnuts, and I grew up with a walnut tree in my backyard. They started falling early. When you're mowing the yard, you hit them, in the middle of the summer. So I think that they self-thin. I don't know whether this is a young walnut tree that maybe just started bearing and Charles just started noticing it. But I mean, it's my opinion that this year's really no different from others, that they do a good job of self-thinning, and which we wish we could get pecans to do. But,
that would be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So I'm actually familiar with a couple of walnut trees that are in my area.
Okay.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're already dropping their walnuts.
Yeah.
Right. So I just think that they're being self-pruned, if you will.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's not a problem because they come back, pretty much every year.
Yeah. Right.
It's not a huge issue.
Right.
So I wouldn't be too concerned, Mr. Charles.
I wouldn't either. I don't think it's really that much different from every year with mine, anyway.
Yeah. Just pick them up, enjoy. All right? Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoy it. To subscribe, click below.